There is one subject in my course that really amazed me. My name is Rainer and I'm from the Philippines, and my study program is Master of Science in International Material Flow Management, and I'm studying at Umwelt Campus Birkenfeld. I am already a licensed professional teacher in the Philippines, so I can use this study course to teach if the course is available in my country, or maybe I can teach it here also in Germany. The good thing about my study program, we're not only talking about environmental issues and concerns, we are much more also focused and addressing more on sustainable, technological, and environmental development. There is one subject in my course that really amazed me. A major course that we do have 12 lecturers. You can find that each lecturers have their own expertise and specializations, and I find it that amazing.